So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'll be taking you through Aupair application. If you want to become an au pair in the Netherlands, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to have a nice application, and I'll be guiding you or giving you tips to have the best application form when you're looking for a family in the Netherlands. So guys, I just want to take you to the website. You have to go to your Google search or your search tab and search Aupair Sunshine or Sunshine Aupair. Then when you just click to this is how the website looks like, and this is their logo. So because when you go to your search tab, there's a lot of websites, so you have to make sure when you search, this is what you get. So there are different titles or subtitles. Then you can just go through them and at least get an idea of the website. So you click to because you're applying as an au pair, you're not applying as a family. You just click to this part for au pairs. Then this is how it looks like. And before I take you guys through the application, welcome to this channel. My name is Mungai Diaries. I'm an au pair currently in Denmark, and I'll be glad if you guys support me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have different videos that I've uploaded that are very helpful. Please go and watch the YouTube videos, and they're gonna help you guys. So this is how we do it. So when you click to the part of for au pairs, you get something like this. Welcome au pair application who meet the following qualification. We have single with no children, not married, age between 18 to 25, independent, mature, creative, patient. Of course, you'll be dealing with kids, so you have to have these kind of qualities. You can cook at least a simple meal, do not mind doing light household duties, not heavy duties. Maybe not maybe is a college graduate or equivalent, maybe you've gone to high school. Of course, have child experience. This is very important. If you cannot take care of kids or can't handle kids when maybe on your own, then this is not for you. So you have to go through those things at least to understand what you are required to have. Okay, then you scroll down. We have three different titles. Why Netherlands? Why are you choosing to be an au pair in the Netherlands? We have it has given you different kind of reasons. So you just click this, then at least you'll get an idea of why do you want to choose, or why do you want to be an au pair in the Netherlands. As an au pair, you will take part in the daily life of a Dutch family, kind of blah blah blah, all those kind of things. And then we also have why, what exactly does an au pair do. Then you just click that, then it gives you a highlight. As an au pair, you will live as a member of your host family. You'll be looking after the children. You will have your own room. Those kind of things you can see there. Then we have the other one. What will you receive as an au pair? You just click to that and then get at least an idea. You will get a room. You will get pocket money. Guys, you have to watch my videos and understand as an au pair, are you what you're supposed to be paid. It's not salary, it's just a pocket money. Okay, then when you've already gone through the titles and understand what you need to do, then you have to come to this part of register as an au pair. Okay, and before you also maybe register, create an account, you can also go through these titles and understand. So you just click to this part of register now as an au pair. Then this is how it looks like. They have a Sunshine au pair registration form. This is how it looks like. Just click on the part of start now. And this is how the form looks like. It's actually not too long. It's very simple. Of course, if you understand what you're doing, but I'll be guiding you and giving you the right tips to do it. Okay, it has 26 questions where you have to make sure you filled everything on those questions before you submit your form. So number one, it says you should be at least 18 years and above, back at 25. If you're above 25, you cannot be an au pair in the Netherlands. Then number two is you should be single, never married, like all in an official partnership. Do you have any foster or children? You should not have children. Do you have any family members whose salary depends on you financially or for nursing care or for any kind of assistance? For this part, you always say no, because if you say yes, they'll think that that's the reason you're going there. You always have to show that you're not desperate. You're not looking for this opportunity because there are things that you want to do. It's just something that you want to try and learn something new. Okay? Then number five, do you have any family members, relatives, or friends who live in, EU region? Always say no, even if you have family or friends, always say no, because for them, they always think that you're going there, and because you have family, or they'll be like, your family also maybe tried something and they never wanted to go back home. So you always say no. Then you have to put your first name, your middle name, and your last name. Then date of birth, gender, and of course for this website, if you're a female or a male, you can also use this website to apply, so long as you are below 25. The city that you come from, you have to put your city, the province that you come from, your email address, your mobile number, WhatsApp number. For this part, you have to put your number because when you're done submitting your application, the family always see your application. So if they want to reach out to you, like maybe for example for an interview to get to know you, if you don't put your number, definitely it's not gonna be possible for them to contact you. Education level, then you have to select your education level. What is your field of study? Let's say, for example, you're doing nursing or something else. Always make sure and remember that when you're doing this kind of application, you're going to deal with kids. So if you put here you're like a doctor or you're a lawyer or such kind of things, for this position, they will always decline your application. So always be a little bit smart and be creative. Okay, occupation or profession, your nationality. Then there's this part of passport. If you don't have a passport for this website, it's hard for you to do an application if you don't have a passport, because you have to put your start date of your passport and your expiring date of your passport. Then you have your mother tongue, you put it there. Other languages, if you can speak other languages, it's always good to put in your the languages that you can speak, because there are those families who always want au pairs who can speak different languages. Like let's say for example, if you're going to the Netherlands, if you have basic knowledge of Dutch language, or maybe there are families from maybe France or Germany who lives in Netherlands, and they would want someone who can speak their own language. So it gives you a high possibility of getting a family. Okay, when are you available to start? So this part also, if let's say for example you're going to be available on maybe April, May. For the family also, when they are also creating their account, they always put their availability when they want to have an au pair, So when you create an account, you'll always get profiles from families who want an au pair from the same date or the same month you've selected. Okay? Then there's why do you want to take this part in Aupair cultural exchange program? Now here you have to express yourself. It has given you approximately 100 words. You have to make sure that you've used all those 100 words to express yourself. This one also gives you marks. Why do you want to become an au pair? You can just say you want to explore, you want to learn a new language, new culture, maybe build yourself in terms of for example, after your au pair program, you want to go back home and maybe continue with your studies. So the program will help you in terms of maybe saving some money to go back to school, those kind of things. You have to be creative, not oh, I want to be an au pair because I want to be in Europe, or kind of you have to be very smart. Why? Because for this program, it's always like stated that after the program you have to go back to your country. So like you have to be very smart on this. Okay. Then the last question is you have to like create an introduction video about yourself. Now this one gives an impression of who you are. You know, like when the family goes through your video, they'll at least see who you are. Because when you're taking an introduction video, of course you're gonna smile, say who you are. Like let's say for example, hi, my name is Jane, I'm 22 years old, I come from Kenya. You know, like you're doing the video while you're smiling and giving like the expression, you know. Then when you do your video, for you to submit it, it should be like, it shouldn't be longer. It should be just 1 minute. And if let's say for example, if you've done your video and you're not able like to download the video here, you can save it to your Google Drive, or maybe you can like download a VPN, and then you can, not VPN, how do you call it, a video compressor. Then you can compress your video. At least then you can be able to like download your video. And then before you even submit your application form, you have to go through the questions again for you to be able to understand or to see if you've written everything. Of course, if you've not answered everything, it will automatically like turn red. Like let's say for example, like right now we haven't written anything. If we click like that, it takes us back to the first question and it says this question is required. So before you submit, go through your questions again, understand, or maybe like see what you've not written. What do you feel like you want to add? What do you feel like you want to to edit, and remember, question 25 and 26 carries a lot of points, so you have to remember that part. And then after you're done doing that, you just click to the part of submit. Just submit your application and you're good to go. Then when you've submitted your application, the agency or the team will go through your application form, and from there they'll be able to contact you or like to hook you up or to connect you with a family that matches or suits your application. Okay, so guys, before we wind up, I really wish to request you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mungai Diaries. And I'm actually do like consultation if you want to like talk to me, if you want me to guide you in some kind of application and everything. You can just reach out to me. I'm gonna like attach my email address at the description box below. Okay, please guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I love you guys and have a blessed day, and I wish you all the best with your application. Thank you.